SacRT partnered with GiddyUp EV Charging Inc. and the Sacramento Municipal Utility District to unveil the first public high-speed electric vehicle charging hub at the Power Inn Light Rail Station. The Power Inn Light Rail Station now boasts 10 of the fastest electric charging stations in the country, available to both private car owners and companies with vehicle fleets, including buses, trucks, and other commercial vehicles. The charging hub can handle any type of electric vehicle and will allow electric vehicle owners to charge 25 times faster than the typical home charging station.
Hosting this high-speed EV charging hub at a SacRT light rail station is one example of how transit agencies, state and local governments, and private partners can work together to make it easier and more efficient for people to get where they need to go.
This is how it starts, right? California is the leader. This is a game changer. This is just the start. We can't wait to have more fast DC chargers around the state.
This is so forward-thinking where we're headed in California. We know if we need to clean our air, especially here in Sacramento in this valley in a bathtub, and fight climate change, we need to address mobile sources and get clean cars on the road.
If you don't own a Tesla, for the rest of you who don't own a Tesla, this is going to transform how the electric industry and the electric vehicle industry is going to really look at how you're going to bring all that into the community itself.
If we're going to change the country, we have to focus on changing this area and showing the rest of the country how you do it and how you do it right.
The charging hub, which sits near the Highway 50 and Howe Avenue Power Inn interchange, is open to the public 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The site has security lighting and high-definition cameras. For more information, visit sacrt.com/charginghub.